Oh my gosh, look at where Nana is.
There's the lightning, you just missed it.
Oh, look, there's the bridge. But look how dark where we're heading.
My GPS is going wonky.
The GPS is gone.
Okay.
The thunderstorm are making it wonky. Let's just have a look if there's any thunderstorm or thunder and lightning.
Okay. It's getting darker. Getting darker and darker here.
Yep, we're definitely heading into the deep end.
Oh no, yung sinampay ko.
Where? That's okay. It's darker on the left, but we are heading into a darker. Oh my gosh!
Yeah, look.
Look at where we're
Super
heading.
dark.
There, King. At the end there.
That's scary.
Whoa!
Oh my god, I saw that. It's coming. Oh, yeah.
Ooh. Is that the rain?
Yeah, it's coming. Have a look at the cars coming if they're right. Can't see properly. Just dark. It's like nighttime. It's like 11 o'clock now.
This is our driving through the storm in Lake Garda from Sermione back to Bosolengo. No, I don't see any thunder yet.
You can't see them. Very dark now. It's all there.
There.
It's on top of the clouds, that's why. But you can still see like shadow there.
I think when it gets darker, we'll see them more later.
Because last night when I went into the balcony, I could still see the lightning.
There it is.
Did you see that one?
Yeah, it should be on.
Oh no. Oh no. It's really low as well. Nope.
Where is it?
There.
Oh, there. Yeah,
Oh,
on
it was
that
there
side.
at the back.